Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Peter, some problem in the audio. Let's start now. Basically, we had done that day complaint letters and letter to editor. I hope in both the kinds of letters you're confident now.
Ma'am, we have not written the letter to editor.
That is what I was wanting. We have not written once also. We've just discussed. Today we've taken up a very relevant topic. These days it's monsoon period or rainy season now. This is the rainy season going on. So which is the most important issue which crops up during these seasons? Spread of diseases like, tell me.
Ma'am,
Malaria.
malarial.
Yes,
Malarial.
malaria and dengue mainly.
Cold. Ma'am, cold.
Rainwater
Common cold.
accumulating, yes. We have rainwater accumulating here and there. And mosquito breeding season, because of which what happens is we have these diseases. So today we are going to write a letter to the editor for this one. Drawing concern over the cases of malaria are increasing. What the government can do, malaria, dengue, both rainy season. What suggestions will you give the government? What suggestions will you take up for the people? Okay, you can think over it. Even we can cooperate.
This is letter of.
This is a letter to the editor, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
See, even we can help and cooperate now. How? To ensure that in our house water is not accumulated anywhere. Mosquitoes are not allowed to breed. We do not let water change the cooler water
By taking
frequently. So many things are there which you can help now. So we need to do that. And what government can do, think about that also.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to
this?
start writing.
Yes, yes, please start writing.
Ma'am,
Start. Any newspaper Take the name of any newspaper, your own address. You can talk about your society or you can talk about the entire city in general. You can talk about the entire city also or your own locality.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what about the half-yearly syllabus?
But I've still not received it from a few teachers. But because everybody was in a holiday mood, so I thought I should not call them up. Sunday, Monday.
Ma'am, is the date decided for half yearly?
Second week of September, I told you, bache. But exact date, not yet. But of course, second week of September for sure. Today, everybody is back to work. So probably I'll call up. Most of the teachers were out for Raksha Bandhan, so I thought let me not disturb them. Monday also you got a holiday coincidentally. So it was an extended holiday. Most probably I'll ask. Few teachers are still left. Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, can you please discuss what would be the subject?
Beta, I'm not able to make out what you're saying. Speak again, beta.
Ma'am, I am asking that can you please discuss that what would be the subject for this?
No, beta, you plan it first. Everybody's subject should not be the same. Okay? See, same thing, But how to express is going to be different for different people. So when others speak, that would be the best time to hear. Otherwise, many people will copy it as it is, the other subject. So let us first plan ourselves. Okay, try it yourself first. Whatever you feel, but it should be very short.
Ma'am, we have to
The main
plan for the
concern is spread
subject.
of diseases. Hurry up, Peter.
Ma'am, about how many words this should be?
Beta, I tell you a friend, we have already discussed what is the word limit. Beta, 120 to 150 words. One 120 to 150 words. Hurry up. Hurry up, beta, hurry up. I hope you all remember the formats.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. September, we have writing section. That's why focus more on this. Is there anyone who is finished? Yes, Peter. Anyone who's finished?
No, I have done.
Count your words first. Please count your words first. Post on the group and then we read. Please count your words and let me know first. Before you post, count your words. We need to ensure we don't lose marks in anything.
Ma'am, approximately 120 to 150 words.
Perfect, beta. Now post on the group and read it out so that others get an idea. Listen, and please listen, all of you, when somebody speaks. Post and read.
Ma'am, done.
Beta, same. Post on the group, then one by one, please read it out. Read your subject also, so that we get to know same thing can be expressed in how many ways. Start reading one by one.
Subject: Stop spreading of diseases. Dear Sir, I, ABCXYZ, am writing this letter on behalf of the residents of Civil Lines to draw your kind attention towards the spreading of diseases caused by contaminated water or dirty water collected during monsoon season. It is very commonly seen that there are a lot of places in India where there is no proper hygiene, and so these diseases like cholera, malaria, dengue are spreading. To stop these, the following measures can be taken. First, fill up the puddles to prevent mosquito breeding. Second, treat big ponds and rivers with kerosene. Third, use net gauze doors to prevent mosquito entry in the house. Fourth, use chlorinated water for drinking. Fifth, wash the fruits and vegetables properly before consuming. These are some ways in which we can prevent these diseases. Although many uneducated people don't read newspapers, we can still spread awareness among them by taking a few sessions. I hope you will take my request into consideration. Thanking you in anticipation. Regards, yours faithfully, ABCXYZ.
As a well-written, well-planned children, can you tell me what is something which is wrong rather here? Although she's
Dear,
written a wonderful video. Yes.
ma'am, dear sir should be not written. It should be respected, sir.
Beta, one thing, the subject is stop. What did you say? What was the subject?
Ma'am, stop spreading of disease.
See, beta, it's looking as if you're giving order to the editor. Stop spreading of diseases. Huh? So, subject is not appropriate. Okay. Second thing, beta, you said your attention. We don't want the attention of the editor. Editor will not be able to do anything for us. We want the attention of whom? Concerned authorities and the general public. Okay. So next time, just be careful. Make your subject a little more softer and say that I want to draw the attention of the public, general public, and the concerned authorities, not the editor. Editor will not be able to do. For editor to you simply write in the last paragraph that humble request to publish my letter or give some space in your reputed newspaper. Okay, Isaac? Let's
Okay,
listen.
ma'am.
Yes, let's listen to others. Who's speaking next?
Ma'am,
Tell me
may
who
I?
was- Yes, dear, start. Start.
Subject: Increase in the spread of infectious diseases. Dear Sir or Ma'am, I, ABC, am a resident of XYZ colony. I am writing this letter. Draw your kind attention towards the increasing number of cases of infectious diseases in our city. As you know, with the onset of the rainy season, the number of patients suffering from diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. increase rapidly every year. Even after so many reminders, the ditches, pits, and roads are not covered in our city, and the garbage disposal and drainage system is also not maintained properly. These act as breeding grounds for mosquitoes and other vectors, thus leading to many diseases. To control this, the municipality should cover the ditches and pits and ensure proper hygiene. At the same time, the citizens must ensure that no water is stagnant in their neighborhood. I would like to bring attention over this issue through your renowned newspaper. Hope you will help, for which I will be highly grateful to you. Thanking you in anticipation. Yours faithfully, ABC.
Excellent, beta. Very well. See, the subject was a comparatively little softer. It says concern. Okay, expressing concern over the spread of diseases. Very nicely planned. Very good. Word. How many words?
Ma'am, almost 130 to 150.
Wonderful. Perfect. Too good. Who is coming up next?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
may
I?
I? May I?
Beta, one by one, one by one. All of you can speak. Start.
Subject: spread of diseases during monsoon. Respected sir, I XYZ am writing to you to draw your attention on the spread of diseases in my city, Bareilly. During monsoon, there has been a significant increase in cases of diseases like dengue and malaria in last 1 week. I would like to urge the government that the stagnant rainwater should be cleaned from the corners of the road to prevent mosquito breeding. I would also like to tell that it is the responsibility of each and every person to help the government and cooperate with the government for the same. We should be sure to clean our houses on the regular basis on rainy days to prevent the spread of diseases. Not only our homes, being a responsible citizen, it is our duty that outside also we should keep our surroundings clean. We should follow the instruction of the government and health department. So I would request you to publish an article urging the government to tackle this situation and also to spread awareness among the people to save our city. Yours sincerely, XYZ.
Excellent, Nana. But the last part, what does it say? I request you to publish an article. No, why will he write an article for you? That part,
Later,
yes, publish my letter or give some space to my letter. That is it. Okay, later editor will not publish. Only that part has to be changed. Otherwise, very nicely written. Everything is perfect. Always remember, children, editor is just a medium. He will not do anything for you. Maximum what he can do is he can publish your paper, the letter that you're writing. That's it. He will not help you in anything else. So never directly ask for help. Just say that I'm sure that you'll, I hope you will publish it in your newspaper and it will help in creating awareness. Whatever she said is absolutely correct. Wonderfully said, wonderfully spoken. Very good. Word limit. Tell me how many words. Who's speaking next? Please start. Yes, Naina, you don't have to start. Speak. I will speak. You wanted to speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा बोलो अभी
Ma'am,
हिमांशु
Himanshu.
हाँ
Subject:
हिमांशु speak.
spread of what? Subject: spread of waterborne diseases. Dear sir, ma'am, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities. As a responsible citizen, I like to create awareness about the waterborne diseases among the public. It is always better to prevent these than to cure later, for we lose so much energy when affected. Since unclean water contains a lot of bacteria and germs, we should avoid drinking it. It is better to boil the water we drink. As for food items, we should always keep them covered. It is always preferable if we eat freshly cooked food. Whenever we eat or cook food, we should wash our hands fully with soap. If in spite of precautions we get any diseases to contaminated water, we must get treatment. Highly fever and restlessness are the symptoms of these diseases. If we have this, we should rush to the doctor immediately. I hope you will take my request into consideration. Thanking you in anticipation. Regards, ABC.
Excellent beta. Too good. Well spoken, well written. How many words?
Ma'am, around 130.
Perfect. The word limit is also absolutely correct. Very good. Well done. Yes, who else now? Hurry up.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Yes. Speak better. Please speak.
Subject: the increasing cases of malaria. Respected Sir Ma'am. This is to inform you about the increasing cases of malaria so that your esteemed newspaper delivers the required knowledge. I am a doctor at my locality and I have seen a sudden increase in cases of malaria. This disease is about the same dangerous as COVID-19 is. It had caused 200 million deaths in a year when it was at initial stages that is the stage of pandemic. And this increase in cases is also dangerous. We see this abrupt increase in cases only in monsoon because a lot of water gets collected in this period. This also happens due to lack of knowledge in the masses. I know your esteemed newspaper can actually save the public from a new biological problem. I hope your esteemed newspaper will deliver the required information at the earliest. Thanking in anticipation, ABC XYZ Senior Doctor, Medicity.
Very good, beta. Rest everything is very nice. You took a different approach. You said you are a doctor. That's very nice. You came up. But just one thing I would tell you, don't say that I want to inform you. Like you started with now to the editor that I just want to inform you about the increasing cases. Actually, he's an editor. All news comes to him only. He only decides what will be printed in the newspaper. So he's already aware of it. Just say that want to draw the kind attention of you and the concerned authorities. Okay. We never inform the editor. Editor is somebody who knows. We assume that whatever information we are getting from the newspaper first goes to the editor only. So editor knows about it. Just don't use the word, otherwise it was wonderfully planned. A very different idea that you take to yourself as a doctor. And this is how you wrote the letter. That is very nice. You also included some data. That is also very nice. Relating it to the modern COVID pandemic. Very good. Very, very brilliant ideas. Very good, beta. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Word limit?
Ma'am, about 140 words.
Perfect, beta. Perfect.
May I start?
Yes, beta. Please start. Start.
Subject: increasing cases of malarial diseases. Dear Sir oblique Ma'am, I XYZ, a resident of ABC colony. I am writing this letter to draw your kind attention towards the increasing cases of malarial diseases. As we all know that with the coming monsoon season, the number of patients are suffering from malarial disease, and even after
Very good. Try. Continue.
so many posters and advertisements, the people are not the people
Very
are
People are not still. Alert.
People
Hmm?
throwing
Cautious.
waste and they are not cleaning the water. The water
Very good.
collected in the area and due to which the mosquitoes and flies set in.
Excellent, Bachu. Excellent. He is given so many details about the issues. Abhay, Akansha Saxena, you've not yet planned? Akansha Saxena. Beta, this is how the attendance will be marked now.